Sooner or later, the rear wiper on your Volkswagen Golf or GTI will need replacing, and in this video I'll walk you step by step how to do it. I'll be replacing the rear wiper on my 2007 Mark V GTI, but the instructions should be the same for most of Volkswagen's hatchbacks no matter which model you own, but always check the part number before ordering. It's raining out, so I've got my car in the garage for this simple DIY. The rear wiper on this Golf GTI is 13 inches. I ordered the Trico ExactFit replacement blade. The part number on this is 13G and it works as a factory replacement. To make it easy for you to find, I've got the part listed in the description, so take a look after you watch this video. To start, flip up the rear wiper arm. And on mine you can see that the rubber part of the wiper is completely split. To remove the blade, this locking tab needs to slide to the right. And if I hold the new Trico blade up, you can see it also has the same locking tab. This tab can sometimes be tight, so it helps to use both hands and pull from both sides to unlock it. Now swivel the blade towards your body, and it will either slip right off or you'll have to pull it off. Now with the new Trico blade, slide off the protective cover before installation. And with the locking cover in the open position, you'll be able to see the notch where the blade will attach to the wiper arm. It'll simply slide onto this metal post. And just so you know, it may take a bit of pressure to get it onto the notch, as I found it's pretty tight with the new blade. And don't forget to slide the locking tab back to keep the wiper blade from accidentally falling off down the road. And now your Volkswagen Golf, GTI or other hatchback is ready for the rain. If this video was helpful, please give me a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on all my weekly videos.